guys want us to teach something simple, right? How about we make one Balloon Pickle Rick? Please recommend clown action!
In this simple tutorial, all you need is a small lime green 260 balloon. It doesn't even have to be the full balloon. This time we're only using 12 centimeters. All you need to do is pump up the balloon and tie a knot. And the twisting part is complete. Isn't it easy? Now onto the drawing part. Use a white paint marker to outline the eyebrow, the white parts of the eyes, 5 small spots, and 4 small spots underneath it to make the teeth. Use a black marker to outline the eyebrow, the eyeball, the eye bag, draw in a nose, outline each individual tooth, and outline the rest of the mouth. You can draw in a tongue and leave that blank for later, or you can just color in the rest of the mouth. Draw lines outside the mouth and join the pupils. If you didn't leave a space for the tongue, use a white paint marker to outline the tongue and use a red to draw over it. Now use a dark green marker to draw in spots along with some lines to emphasize that this is a pickle. Use a yellow paint marker to draw in some squiggly highlights. And your pickle Rick is complete.
Whoa, I have one Balloon Pickle Rick. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.